Do you know how to remove one of these badge from the body panel? Today I'm going to show you how to remove this from the body panel. There are several different ways you can remove this with several different tools. Today I'm going to show you a few of them, and I'm going to show you the one I prefer to use. So this is one right here. You can stick it under there and work your way around it and dig it out. I don't like that. Here's another one you can use and then push it off all the way around. Don't like that either. These make scratches. Here's another one here you can also use. This one will not make scratch, or maybe very minimum scratch, and pull that, dig that out all the way around. I don't like that one either. This one, same. Don't like it. Sometimes I use wire, but wire will make scratch. You can use a piece of wire, but this will make scratches, so I don't use this, especially if you don't want to scratch your paint. Most of the time I use this stuff here. This works well. You got a piece of string, it won't make any scratches on your paint, and you'll cut that out perfectly. But today I have something that I haven't tried yet. This looks really promising. It looks like it's easier to work with. This is a fishing line, a braided fishing line, and this one here is a 65-pound test braided fishing line. This should cut really, really nice and smooth. First I make 2 loops, stick it in my fingers, and then cut. I'm going to use a screwdriver and another screwdriver. Slip that on the handle. Slip this one on the handle too, right there, like that, and that should do the trick. Now you cut this out nice and easy. I'm going to go around. Okay. Okay. I think what we have on this badge here, it's 2 holes somewhere in the fender, guide holes, and it has 2 studs going into the hole, and that's why I'm not able to cut it out fast enough. So today, in a situation like this, I'm gonna have to get it between there somehow. I'm gonna use this for a little bit of help to get underneath there. Now we're going to pass the string in there like that, get it past. Okay, now we can take this back out and cut the rest of the way. There we go. There you have it. Take it out without causing any paint damage. So these little studs, I was hanging up on these studs, so I had to get past one of the studs so I can continue cut all the way across there. One hole, that one there, I don't know what that hole there is for, but there's the other. And that's how you do it. And that's how you do it.